With a 3-meter wingspan, the bearded vulture is perhaps the most intimidating creature of the sky. But those fierce red feathers, beneath all the color, they are stark, bright white. They seek out iron-rich mountain springs and work red soil into their plumage, painting themselves in a terrifying elemental war paint of rust. The bearded vulture is the only vertebrate on Earth with a diet that is 90% solid bone. They can swallow a sheep vertebra whole. How? They are equipped with stomach acid near a pH of 1, caustic enough to melt solid bones into marrow in less than a day. When a bone is too massive to swallow, they carry it high into the mountain air, dropping it against ancient designated stone beds, shattering it into jagged splinters. It is a ritual that earned them their oldest title, Ossifrage, the bone breaker. Misunderstood for their size and fiery plumage, early civilizations cast these scavengers as devil birds. Falsely condemned for stealing away livestock and children, they were relentlessly hunted, poisoned, and shot from the sky. By the early 20th century, their shadows had faded entirely from the Alps. But their story doesn't end there. Through decades of devoted conservation and captive breeding, groups like the Vulture Conservation Foundation are coaxing these magnificent creatures back to their ancestral peaks. We can safeguard their return by supporting reintroduction, advocating against toxic lead ammunition, and protecting the mountain sanctuaries they call home. Go to 4vultures.org to learn more. Together, we can make sure the bone breaker doesn't become just another record in the archive.